Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success Edutech. I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching some GK quiz and their answers in this lecture. Listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. First question: what is the name for the undersea power cable project between Germany and Norway? This project's name is Norlink. The option B is correct option. Tianzhou 2 is a spacecraft of which country? The option C is the correct answer. China. Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, has suspended which country from their bloc in response to the group? Mali. Option B is correct. The recently reported H1N3 is a strain of option A, bird flu, is the correct answer. Which technology company launched the Asia Pacific Cybersecurity Council? Option B, Microsoft, is the correct answer. As for the revenue expenditure data for 2020 to 2021, the net tax receipts were white total expenditure was rupees. Option C is correct answer. Rupees 14.24 lakh crore to 35.11 lakh crore is the correct option C. And positive indignations list, which was making new recently, is associated with which ministry? The correct option is B, Defense Ministry. Which country's environmental agency hosted the International Nitrogen Initiative INI 2021? The correct option is Germany, C. Next question. The Union Cabinet has approved an MOU between India and Maldives as well as Japan in which sector? The right option is C, Sustainable Urban Development. Next question. What would be the rate of global unemployment in the year 2022 as per ILO estimates? ILO means International Labour Organization. So the correct answer is option C, 5.7. So students, I have given all questions and their answers here. So you will like my lecture, I hope. Namaskar. सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर, सक्सेस एडुटेक, जो कि ऑनलाइन ट्यूटरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है, जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पर आपको होम ट्यूटरिंग के सिवाय ऑनलाइन टीचिंग की भी सुविधा उपलब्ध हो सकती है। आप कहाँ भी रहे, लेकिन आपका एजुकेशन अच्छी तरीके से यहाँ पर कंप्लीट हो सकता है। तो जल्द ही ज्वाइन करें सक्सेस एडुटेक, सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर ऑनलाइन टीचिंग प्लेटफॉर्म को और अपना एजुकेशन बेटर करें और एक अपना जो भविष्य है उसको सुधारे। तो मैं प्रशांत जाधव आपको इस ट्यूटरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पर ज्वाइन होने के लिए आमंत्रित कर रहा हूँ। नमस्कार।